2017 Chevrolet 1500 High Country with the 6.2 pepper dust, hard color to find, and only 40,000 miles. Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me tell you about this truck. It's a North Dakota vehicle. It's got a clear Carfax. It's been independently inspected. We're going to buy you a warranty that's good for 12 months or 12,000 miles. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of our office under 20 minutes. We're not like the big box dealers. We're not going to keep you all day. A couple days ago, a guy said, we're faster than Carvana. Hey, we'll take that compliment because they advertise how no headaches, no fuss. Quick, easy. So back to the truck. 6.2, 40,000 miles. We put brand new tires on it. It's got a fresh service. Heated and cooled seats. It's got that beautiful two-tone seats in there with the High Country embroidery. Heated steering wheel. All the safety stuff. The big touch screen. The Bose. The remote start. The trailer brake. You name it, it's got it. The 5.5 foot box. The tow package. Power boards. Right from factory. Just a beautiful truck, inside and out. Spraying liner hasn't had a ball. Yes, that happens on half-ton pickups. Just a nice, clean truck all the way around. 40,000 miles on it again. Now let's talk about price. I won't have the lowest advertised price. I know this because about a third of the dealers out there are advertising low prices and have a bunch of hidden junk fees. We don't have the junk fees. We don't have the hidden fees. We do have a $145 dock fee. That's not hidden. It's not junk. But we don't have all the other adjustment fees and market fees and nitro fees and protection fees and destination fees and fees for having fees. It's wrong. I don't like it. The FTC says can't be doing this garbage, but a lot of dealers are. We have real, true, honest prices on our vehicles. You can drive it. You can drive it away for the price you see. So let's recap. 17, 40,000 miles. 6.2, loaded up High Country. Inspected, new tires, warranty, no hidden fees, fast financing. That's the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.